bonding lug on a jacuzzi tub motor serves to create an electrical connection between the metal components of the tub, such as the motor housing, pump impeller, and heater element, and the house's grounding system. This is crucial for safely discharging any electrical faults or surges to the ground, preventing hazardous situations. Because PEX piping is a non-conductive plastic material, it cannot provide a direct path to ground. Therefore, directly bonding the jacuzzi tub motor to the PEX piping is insufficient for establishing a reliable electrical connection to the grounding system. When using PEX piping, a bonding jumper is necessary to properly bond the jacuzzi tub motor. A bonding jumper is a short length of insulated copper wire that connects the motor's bonding lug to a metal grounding electrode. To bond a jacuzzi tub motor with PEX piping, follow these steps. Firstly, identify the grounding electrode. Locate the nearest grounding electrode, which is typically a copper rod driven into the earth or a copper water pipe connected to the building's main water supply. Secondly, connect the bonding jumper to the grounding electrode. Attach one end of the bonding jumper to the grounding electrode using a grounding clamp or screw. Thirdly, connect the bonding jumper to the motor bonding lug. Attach the other end of the bonding jumper to the bonding lug on the jacuzzi tub motor. Fourthly, secure all connections and tighten them properly. It is important to size the bonding jumper appropriately for the current rating of the jacuzzi tub motor. Always adhere to local electrical codes and regulations when performing electrical work. If you are not comfortable with this task, it's recommended to hire a licensed electrician. The purpose of the bonding lug is to connect metallic parts to the grounding system. Because PEX is non-conductive, you need a bonding jumper. The steps involved are identifying the ground electrode, connecting the bonding jumper to the grounding electrode, connecting the bonding jumper to the motor bonding lug, and securing the connections. Always follow local electrical codes and regulations when performing electrical work. The bonding lug connects the metal parts to the grounding system so electricity will ground safely. Because PEX is plastic, it cannot do this. So a short length of insulated copper wire will serve to connect the bonding lug to ground.